Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an AI influencer videos in 2024. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to generate and develop also some engaging AI influencer videos using advanced AI tools. This is perfect for creating unique and captivating content for your social media platforms. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. Of course, for me, here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And of course, like before anything, there are several AI tools available that you can, as example, use for your AI influencer videos. Some popular options include like Synthesia. So we'll open everything that I tell you about. So just go to the URL section, example, just type Synthesia in here. And of course, other like options, there is this real illustration, I guess characters creator, something like that. So a real like illusion or real illusion character, as example, creator. Sorry, I write it wrong, but it does not matter. Okay, I did not write it wrong. And of course, the last one is, I guess there is an option. It's DID or something like that. So it's DID. And yeah, so AI generator video platform. I guess those three tools that I know for me. And of course, these tools allow you to generate some realistic videos and animation based on the text like description, or even by using some pre-made like avatar. So for this tutorial example, I'll probably be focusing on Synthesia, the one that I've used before, but of course, you can check all of them and see whatever suits your needs. So let's start by Synthesia example. So if we go here to this, of course, you'd like to log in into an account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create an account, as simple as that. Then you can start simply creating some free videos, as example. So of course, to generate a video, you'll need to select a template. It is your video scripts in any language. But the only like thing this is bad, you'll have just some few characters here left to enter your, as example, like scripts. And of course, then you can generate your free AI video. So let's just see an example here. Of course, I'll just generate. As you can see, to generate, you'll need to log in or create an account. So let's just start by that by default. Why not? So just go here and choose Google to log in. While creating an account, you can even do the same. So you don't have to go through all the point steps of creating and even logging in into your account. And of course, as you can see, to do so, you'll need to choose one of those three options. Of course, as you can see, you can go with the starter plan, a creator plan, or enterprise. For enterprise, of course, you'll need to book a demo and talk to them, etc. But for those two options, example, there's the starter option, creator. So you get like a plan will get one editor, three guest commenters, example, 120 video minutes per year, as an example. And as you can see, so even if you pay better, you'll get more features. Example, avatars, web, AI assistants, and etc. So that's if you pay, of course, yearly. If you pay monthly, it will be another story. And of course, if you don't want to pay, as example, so all you need to do, just go and finish with this create example. Just fill up your information here if you want to get just your free AI video. So as example, I'll just fill up here some random informations. So as example here, I'll just use this, or I'll use the second one because I used the other one to try to log in. So how did you hear about this? I'll just choose other. I'm not a robot. Check this option. Of course, you can read them both. Then click on generate your video. And yeah, click on generate. And as you can see, so you can see the video that is just generated. You can just click on it. As you can see, it's looking good. As you can see. So now you can see the price. And of course, if you want to create more, or you can book a demo. This is an example for Synthesia. For this one, as example, you'll need to download it, of course. This one is downloadable one, and it's free for 30 days. Of course, you can go and start your free trial and download it right now. Click on here and it will be downloaded. Then you can start to use it. So this is downloadable option if you want to. And the third option, of course, as you can see, it's going to be here, this one. So interface involved, etc. As you can see, a lot of things that if you want to know more about, of course, as you can see, so the brain, pace, voice, so they focus about each step. And yeah, of course, if you want to start your free trial, click on that option. And as you can see, you can start your free trial right away. So this is the DID. So here, as you can see, you can engage with the audience, live like AI avatar videos. Click on it, and as you can see, you have multiple people to create. As an example, as an influencer, a lot of them, as you can see, you may find it like premium, but some of them are free to use. So if you want to get the premium plan, first of all, of course, you can see the pricing here is it. So just go and click on the pricing. So there's the API option where you can simply just depending on the plan that you want or how many credits after you've like passed the build plan, how many credits do you want? So you'll get more like features. And about the studio, of course, it's completely like other thing. So depending on the credits again and etc., you'll have to pay. Of course, you can always go and keep using just the free one. So I'm not going to the premium. I need just the standard. So here I'll just use a random guy, maybe as example this guy. So here I'll have to give it a script or give him a script. Of course, I can even record an audio. So I'll record an audio with the voice that I'm talking about with right now. I'll click on allow, and I guess it's recording my video at the moment, the same that I'm talking with you. And I'll just go and click on it here. And as you can see, it's recorded. Of course, I'll have to log into my account. I'll use Google here, use this one. And click on allow. Of course, it will share your name, email address, language preferences, and you can see the terms of service and privacy policy if you want to. For me, I don't care about it. So for personal projects here, of course, you'll have to answer those questions. For example, what brings you here? Creates an AI conversational agent or creates videos made with AI. So I'm not sure yet. Yeah, what targets? I'm not sure yet. For example, and yeah, so of course we'll have to start from the beginning. Of course, standard. So I'll just use this guy now. And now for the scripts, as we said, I'll just go and do this, and I will say specifically those words. So to say to see if there's something that's going to be about us, I'll just go here and upload this. And once it's uploaded, of course, you can choose. You can hear, as you can see here, yourself. Then, of course, the background. You can choose the background, whatever background you want. Maybe, as example, this one. You can choose just a specific like background color, something like this. You can even add some text to it and etc. Then sorry, I did not finish. Then as you can see, once you finish, you only need to do just generate the video. Of course, once you give it a name. So for me, I'll just name it test. Of course, here you see the video links and the credits that's going to be used. So for me, I'll use one credit and I'll have 20 left. So I'll just go and click on generate and let's just wait until generated. As simple as that. So as you can see, let's just wait for it until generated. It should not take a lot of time. And so yeah, here's it. It's created. I can just go and click on it and try to play it. Of course, I can download it and share it with people. So as you can see, yeah, say specifically those words to see his example. So just go and do this, and I was specifically. So I'm just repeating whatever I was saying here because you don't hear exactly what I'm saying here. So you can download it, share it now, edit as an example, or even delete it. Do whatever you want with it. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.